Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Let's create this little wooden angry bird today, using the WeCreat laser. It's amazing and pretty easy. First, you will need a vector graphic of your art. I found this on the internet. It is a SVG file. I loaded into Adobe Illustrator and checked the paths. I also made the background portion of the artwork since there are 2 layers to be created. Next, in the WeCreat software interface, load both pieces of artwork as we prepare to make our laser cuts. We can go ahead and lift the top of the laser cover and place 2 pieces of thin wood in the bottom. Then close the lid and click the refresh button. The camera shows an accurate location of your wood. We are now ready to position the vector graphics over top of the wood. Click autofocus and the laser will automatically scan as it prepares to start. Our project is also set to cut, no engraving this time. Then click the start button. Then click send. The estimated processing time is about 5 minutes. Then click the WeCreat Go button and watch the magic happen. Let's speed up the video 3 times faster so that we can see the process go a little bit quicker. The laser cuts are very precise. The software will let you know when the laser is finished, and then it is safe to open the lid and pull out your artwork. You can gently separate the pieces. Be careful not to break them. Sometimes they are very thin and fragile. Let's add some paint to the various parts. Add red paint to the background piece. Add black to the thin surround top piece. Add white for the eyes. Add yellow for the beak. It's time to add some wood glue to the parts and put this thing together. Give the glue some time to dry. Glue the final puzzle pieces in place. There you have it, a nice little wooden piece of art decoration for your room. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.